everyone, my name is Kara, and in this video I will do an unboxing of the gadget that I bought. And before I do that, the reason why I bought this gadget is because I have changed my internet access. Before, I used to have Etisalat eLife, so that one I'm paying 325 sometimes. It's more than 300 dirhams. And that one has a landline. As you can see, I have a phone here, this one, and speed is better, connection is better, and I have a landline, but it's expensive, so I need to save money. And because of some things that I plan in my life, of course I need a lot of money for that. So I was thinking I have to save money, so what are the things that I can cut off? So I realized that I need to cut off my internet access or my eLife, as I'm living in my studio unit alone. I'm alone, so I don't really need that much of a high-speed internet, and also I don't use landline that much. I don't use it at all. Like, I don't call anyone from the landline. So if I need to call someone, I just need to use my phone instead. And even that, I don't do, because I don't call a lot of people here in Dubai. I can just send them messages through Messenger or WhatsApp or whatever. So I realized that I should change my internet access. And good thing I saw some promotion down my building. They always put promotional leaflets or flyers. So I saw that there is some new product from Etisalat, which is a router, 5G router, and it doesn't have a landline. It's just a router that I can connect internet with, and it's cheaper. It's only 199. It's not sponsored, but hey, Etisalat, if you want to sponsor me. So yeah, I changed internet access into 5G router, and because of that, well, I don't have access with my landline anymore, which is cool. I'm not using it anyway, as what I have mentioned earlier. And yeah, here's the thing though, when I have connected my router, 5G router, I was like thinking, I have one laptop and two phones, and I was like thinking, why only the laptop is working and one phone is working? So only two of my gadgets are working and the other one's not. So my laptop is Mac, it's Apple, and I have two phones. One is Samsung and one is iPhone. The iPhone and the Mac, they're both working properly. The internet access, they can connect, but Samsung is not. So when my boyfriend came over, his phone is also Samsung. I tried to connect it and it wasn't connecting at first. So I was like, why is it not connecting? And the iPhone that I have is really old. That's why I bought Samsung, so that I can use that instead. But if the Samsung is not working using the 5G router, then what's the point of me changing my Wi-Fi from the eLife to a 5G router? So I was like trying to have it cancelled and continue on with the eLife instead, and unfortunately it cannot cancel within 1 year period, or else I'm gonna have to pay the entire year in one go instead. So I just like thought of buying a new phone that can connect into 5G. I cannot connect my iPhone anymore. I mean, I cannot use my iPhone anymore. Super old. It's 6S Plus. And I was thinking I'm gonna be buying Samsung. I did unboxing of it before. So I said to myself, I'm gonna be buying Samsung because I was planning to buy a new released iPhone at that moment it was like iPhone 13, iPhone 14, and that's my plan. So I just bought a very cheap Samsung. It's very cheap. It's an old model. So I didn't realize that it's not gonna be working for 5G. At first, my boyfriend's phone was not working properly using the 5G router, but after a few minutes, it did work. So we both realized that it's not the 5G router that is the problem. It's my phone. It's the Samsung phone. It's because maybe it only can connect it to 4G. It cannot connect to 5G. So I said, okay, I'm just gonna be using my laptop and my iPhone for the moment, and then I'll be using my Samsung. And it is super hard because there are a lot of social medias that I cannot use at home just because my Samsung cannot connect directly to the 5G router. I have only the WhatsApp, Facebook, WhatsApp and Facebook, yeah, on my iPhone, but Facebook Messenger, Kakao Talk is where I talk to my boyfriend. Facebook Messenger is where I talk to my friends and family, and yeah, so I'm using my laptop. It's really hard. I have to open my laptop before I can talk to my boyfriend at home. It's super hard for me, or my family. Using the messenger, I have to open the laptop. It's so hard. WhatsApp though, WhatsApp, I don't use it that much, but now I have to. So I realize I have to put all my social medias into one phone. I cannot have two phones anymore. So I decided I'm gonna be buying a new phone. I was canvassing, I was checking a lot of videos about reviews. I was planning to buy either iPhone 14 Plus, I think, iPhone 14 Plus, or Samsung Flip, because I like the Flip. I don't know, but either iPhone 14 Plus, not iPhone 15, okay? In the iPhone 14 series is what I like. I'm not so invested or into the 15 yet. So 14 is what I'm looking into, even though there's a new release of 15. Or the Flip, just because I like the Flip. But if not the Flip, then maybe a different kind of Samsung that has a 5G, but is a good model, or like a newer release model. However, so something, and I was not planning to buy it right away. I was like waiting for some time still, a few more weeks or a few more days. But then something happened that I have to go to the mall, and when I went to the mall, because I have to go to ADCB to fix some issues with my bank account. So when I was there, I said, okay, let me try to look for gadgets again, like canvas again, review again. So I was like just walking around Emax. Okay, I was just walking around Emax, and then as you know, sales people, they will follow you around, talk to you and whatever. So they did, and they were like talking to me about all the newer models of Samsung, and I was like planning, okay, I'm gonna be buying this kind of Samsung instead of the Flip, as when it comes to vlogging or making videos, that particular Samsung is good. Now I don't remember the model, the name, but I'm just gonna be flashing it somewhere here. I took a photo of it. Now here's the deal. That moment, there was an ongoing promotion, a discount price for that Samsung phone, and a lot of freebies. The thing is, if I don't buy that moment, the end of that promotion is the following day, and I don't want to go back to the store the following day. And I was like telling, I have to wait after a few weeks or a few days before I'll be able to get the phone. So they're like, oh, but if you wait, then you're not going to be able to get the freebies. And so I said, I can't do anything about it. What happened was, they said to me, let's look for a different phone that maybe can fit into your budget, that you already have the enough money right now. And they said, if you like it, go for it. If you don't like it, then no problem, you can walk away, right? And there's no harm in checking it. So we went to that phone and we check it, and I already bought it. Here it is. It's from Emax. I realized I bought my laptop, I bought my Samsung phone, and I bought this from the same Emax store in DCC, in their city center. So, alright, I'm gonna be doing the unboxing. Now, it's not about the discounted price that I was like, okay, I want to buy it now because of the discount. No, I want to buy it because of the freebies. I know Emax is always having freebies and discounts, but at that moment, there's a lot of freebies, and I was like, I just want to get the freebies on top of the phone. And so I bought it. Yeah, so I said, okay, I'm not gonna come back tomorrow, I'm not gonna wait, I'll buy it. So I bought it. So here's the phone and the freebies. That's why it's so heavy, it's so big, you know. I'm gonna be doing the unboxing. Wait, which one should I unbox first, the phone or the freebies? Let's do the unboxing of the freebies first. So, freebies for the phone. Here are the freebies, and it's a lot. It's a lot, seriously. So, it's got folding desktop phone stand. What's this? Speaker, wireless speaker. Headset. No. Earpods. And what's this? Power bank. So there's 4 things. Let's open it. Oh. So this one first. It's folding desktop phone stand. What's this? I don't know what's this, but so here it is. I can definitely use this at work. I can definitely use this at work. There you go. One down. And then, what's this? Oh, power bank. Power bank. Ooh. Sorry. Charger. It looks cool. The color looks cool. It's brown. Oh. How to close it though? There's a light. How to close it though? So now I have like a power bank with flashlight. Cool. But I don't know how to close it. Okay. I don't know. There's something there. I don't know how to close it though. Or does it close on its own? I'll read the manual later. No. There's no manual. Wait. Oh, it died. It died on its own. So maybe you just have to leave it like that. Next. Next is the portable wireless speaker. Why is it? Charger is always falling down. So there's a charger. And here's the speaker. It's color blue. My favorite color. What's this? Okay, so that's where you plug the USB and all that. But this is wireless. The buttons are here. I'm gonna be reading the manual, all of the manuals later. I said I'm just gonna be doing the unboxing, not the review. So let me put this down for a second. Alright. Next! What's this? I don't know. It's just saying Pro 6. So, it's so bright. I don't know if you can see it. Pro 6. It's not saying the brand name though, so I'm sorry. Earpods. Free earpods. Ooh. So, this is how it looks like. Oops. It'll fall. It's so bright. It's opening on its own. I don't know if you can see, but it's open. Ta-da! It's so cute! AirPods. AirPods. Okay. Charger is here. I have so many chargers now. Next. So, here are the freebies. Speaker, power bank, phone stand, and earpod. Next is unboxing the phone. Here is the phone. Ta-da! I was like canvassing for iPhone or Samsung, but I bought Oppo. I bought Oppo, and it's Oppo Reno 10 5G. 5G. Now I have 5G. I'll be able to have it connected to my internet. Plus, it's got free earpods. So now I have 2 earpods. Let's open the earpods first. It says Oppo Enco Buds. Earbuds. Earbuds? Earpods. That's what I was trying to think of earlier. What should I call it? How to open this though? It's so cute. Oh, it's like this. So it's almost the same. It's white and it's circle, but the Oppo earbuds is bigger compared to the Freebie. And then this one, it looks like this, but the Oppo, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. I hope so. The difference. Can you see the difference? Yeah. So let me see. Like this. It says pairing. This one, it's too big. It's too big. I like the Freebies better. Because this one's too big. This one's easier to put. It's easier to put and it's easy to what do you call this? It's easy to cover with my hair. This one though is so big. I'm having a hard time putting it. Is it? It's too big. But I like it both, by the way. It's just that I like the Freebies better. Because that one's easier to use, I guess. And what else is here? I believe charger should be here. So, oh, there's free like covers, ear covers. Why? It keeps falling. Huh. Free ear covers. Where is it? It keeps falling. I don't know where it goes. Where it went. There. Found it. There. There's There's no charger. Why? There's a manual here. I'm gonna have to read it later. For now. And now let's go to the phone. So here it is. Ta-da! This is Oppo Reno 10 5G. Let's open it. So there's like two colors of it. The other one's grayish, black, or black but looks gray, or is it gray but looks black? I don't know. It's hard to tell because it changes the color when the light reflects on it. So, but it's more of a gray. And then the other color is this one, the one that I have selected, because I think gray or black is already like, for me, I already have the Samsung color, black color. Like, I want some color. And the good thing about it is that right now I like, my favorite color is blue, by the way, but right now I'm into pink. So this one, the color of it when the light reflects on it is like, it turns to pink and then it turns to blue. So that's why I like this one. That's why I selected this one instead. What's this? Oh, so there's free earpods and there is free case. I don't know why there's manual for the case though. Ooh, there's something free. Cool. But I don't know what the manual is for though. It's a case. You just insert the phone here. What's this for? There's like a barcode here. I don't know what for. So this is the case. That's it. It's clear and it's silicone. Wait, is it silicone? I don't know. It's clear and it's like plastic. I don't know. Seriously, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna be reading the manuals later. Now the phone. Wow. Ta-da! So I'm not sure if you can see it, the real color of it. Oh yeah, that's the color. It's so cute. It turns to blue and then it turns to pink, and sometimes there's a shade of green, like, and sometimes yellow. It's so cool. But I don't, this one's not cool though. Why did they put it here? Yeah, very neat. Even this, I don't know what it's for. So if, for example, we put it in the case, let's see how it will look like. Just like that. It's okay with the case. it's also okay without the case. But I prefer it with the case, of course. So if I drop it or something, it will not be broken and right away. And also for me to be able to easily like grip it, and for, you know, it will not get dirty right away. So now let's open this. Oppo. It's the first time I'm gonna be having Oppo phone. I'm always having iPhone or Samsung. I used to have Nokia as well. Now I have Oppo. Color OS. So the reason why I selected this is because of the video I'm gonna be showing you. I don't know though if you'll be able to see it. English. So I'm just selecting some things here. Finally, it's asking me to connect to the mobile network. Oh, it's asking me to insert a SIM card. I think I'm gonna have to do it later on. So with the review, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do the review of it, but for the moment, because I'm not sure if I'll do a review of it. I just want to do an unboxing. So this is how the phone looks like. It's super cute. Blue, pink, super cute. And the thing that I like about it is the camera, if you can see. So the reason why I bought it is because I do vlogs, I do videos, and one feature of the phone that made me buy it is that you can like make a video of yourself while making a video of the surroundings or in front of you, and you have 3 choices how it will look like. You can select from like a round or square or rectangle. So those are the 3 choices, and for now I'm super not certain if I'll be able to do a review on it, on the features of this phone. But what I can say is that in my upcoming videos, maybe I'll be using those features, and that's the time you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Now, is there anything else? I think just a charger. Yeah, so charger is here. Charger is here. Now, price. I'm not sure where is the receipt though. Wait. Oh, it's here. So it's 1,500. It's so bright though. Here, 1,500. The iPhone is gonna cost me 3,000 something, maybe 3,500 or almost 4,000. No, did I say something else? Wait, sorry. iPhone. If I'm gonna be buying iPhone 14, it's gonna cost me around 3,000 to 4,000. I'm not sure the exact price, but around somewhere there. 3,500 to 4,000 maybe, or 3,000 to 4,000. Then Samsung is almost the same if it's flip, or maybe more, as I've checked. And the one that I was mentioning earlier, the one that I was looking at, that one's 2,999, almost 3,000. So this one, I said at that time when I bought this, I don't have exactly 3,000 in my account that I can spend for the phone. That's why I was gonna wait for a few weeks or a few more days. But at that moment, I do have enough money for this, so that's why I bought it. It's 1,500 only. I cannot spend more than that. If I'm gonna be buying a phone and I'm gonna be spending more on it, I'm probably gonna have to do an installment on it. So that's why I was gonna wait for it. But because this one's a little bit cheaper compared to iPhone and the Flip, it's half the price of the Samsung phone I was looking at the moment. So I took it. So I was able to save money, and I'll be able to use my phone for all of my social media. I was not able to watch TikTok videos, Instagram videos, check my Instagram, post a lot of my pictures and videos that I have already taken on my Instagram and my Facebook. At work, I can access my phone. At home, I cannot. So at home, I cannot post. But at work, I can post only during break time. However, I'm super busy, so I was super having a hard time. That's why finally I already have the new phone. And it's really cute. I'm so happy I have a new one. If I decide to buy me a newer version of iPhone or Samsung in the future, then this phone and the Samsung that I'm using right now, that I'm using for recording right now, I'm probably gonna be sending it to the Philippines. But this one, I'm not sure. Because of the feature of the video recording that I'm talking about, I don't think so that I'm gonna be giving it away. The Samsung that I'm using right now, definitely I'll be sending it to the Philippines. It's actually a temporary phone that I'm using. Originally, my plan is after I buy me a new phone, I'm gonna be sending it away. So now that I have a new phone, definitely I'm gonna send it to the Philippines. This one, no, I'm not. I like it. I really like it. Even though I'll be able to buy me a new Samsung or iPhone phone in the future, I think I'm gonna keep this one. It's cute and functional for me as a person who makes a lot of videos. So yeah, that's it. That's it for my unboxing of my Oppo Reno 10. Oppo Reno 10 and the freebies. Imagine I only spent 1,500 for the phone with free case, with free earpods, 2 earpods, speaker, power bank, iPhone stand. Imagine that. I saved a lot actually. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah, so guys, if you want, I'm not sponsored by Emacs. I just realized that they always have a good deal. So if you wanted to have good deals, go to Emacs. Yeah, you'll have a lot of discounts. You'll have a lot of freebies. So yeah, that's all for today on this video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye.